Hey, it's Kaylin, and let's face it, distractions are a huge productivity killer. Work, no matter what kind of work you do, can be stress-inducing, and even when we're working on something we love, there are moments when we're in the middle of a routine task that it has to get done, but maybe it isn't very exciting, and that's the perfect time to find a good distraction. At this point, any shiny object is going to be a lot more interesting than what you're working on, and chances are you will take the bait and lose your focus the minute you hear that familiar ding from your phone or computer. If it feels like you are constantly losing your focus, you are not alone. A research study conducted at London's Institute of Psychiatry followed 1,100 people, and it showed that constant distraction can impact concentration even more than being under the influence of drugs or alcohol. And email was found to be the worst culprit, with over half of study participants claiming that they drop everything to respond to email as soon as possible, if not immediately. And 20% actually admitted to responding to email during meals or social events. Let's explore the idea of distraction a little further. Psychologists actually credit a lot of factors to rising levels of distraction, and they agree that technology plays a big role in our distracted lives. The sheer volume of information that comes at us every day has increased substantially, and it now comes at us from multiple sources that are always on, leading to less downtime and lost focus. And that means that it can feel like there is always something pulling at your mind at any given time. Between our phones, the internet, email, social media, productivity does not stand a chance. One study found that workers were able to focus on a task for about 11 minutes before they encountered a distraction. And it took those very same workers an average of 25 minutes to get back on task after the interruption. When you look at the numbers, it makes you wonder how anyone ever gets anything done. So you might be feeling that it is super important to increase your productivity and to minimize distractions, but maybe you don't know where to start. The good news is that productivity experts have been researching this question for some time, and they agree that there are proven ways to combat distraction and regain focus. I have used and recommended many of their suggested practices to my clients. Here are some of my favorite ways to win over distraction. The first one, number one, get clear on your goals and your mission. It is a lot easier to reach your destination when you have a roadmap to get there. If you don't have clear goals and an understanding of why you do what you do, your mind will be more prone to distraction. Without focus, the smallest things have the potential to pull you off the path and lead you away from your goals. Written goals, as well as having daily steps to reach them, can help keep you focused and on task. And then the next thing is to identify your biggest distractors and take steps to minimize them. If you're that person that finds yourself picking up the phone every time you hear the notification of a text message coming in, or you're compelled to check Instagram and Facebook 20 times a day, or maybe you're that person that you answer each email the moment it hits your inbox, increase your focus by silencing those notifications. Put your phone out of reach if you have to during those periods that you have to focus. Close your email application. The work will not go away, and the people you have to reply to are usually not expecting an immediate answer. You are also a lot more likely to provide a better thought out answer when you're not reacting in a rush to get that reply out of your email box. And then number three, keep your momentum. Create ideal conditions to stay productive. Make sure you're giving yourself some 10 to 15 minute breaks throughout your day to recharge and refocus. Take some time to even close your eyes and meditate for 5 minutes. Make sure you get enough rest every night to avoid fatigue, and make sure that you're feeding your body and mind with healthy foods so that you can stay sharp and prevent brain fog from setting in. And then clear the clutter. It is hard to stay focused when you are surrounded by a sea of disorganization. Have a dedicated work area and keep it clean and clear of piles of random papers, post-it notes, and office supplies. Invest in a desk organizer and keep the things that you have to work on in an easy-to-access area so that you're not having to go on a full-blown scavenger hunt every time you have to get a hold of them. And then plan your day and make use of your calendar. A planner or a calendar can really help you schedule priority tasks during the times of the day you're least likely to be interrupted. Think of those blocks of time as an appointment you honor with yourself and hold it absolutely sacred. Create 1 to 2 hour time blocks during your day to focus exclusively on the tasks that you need to accomplish without distraction. During your block time, avoid your phone, your email, and social media by closing those apps and silencing your notifications. And then, win the morning. Take advantage of the opportunity to start early. Working on really priority tasks before a lot of the world is up can offer a distraction-free jumpstart that gets you ahead on important projects. Give yourself a morning ritual to kick off the day so you feel motivated and focused right from the beginning. Start your day with 5 to 10 minutes of meditation, or write in your planner, or maybe even enjoy a cup of tea and silence in the morning. These are great ways to create a little bit of a focused ritual to help you win the morning and win the day. And then avoid a procrastination situation, because big projects or tasks can be overwhelming and we can feel a sense of comfort by putting them off and pushing them aside, especially if the deadline is further out. You may have all kinds of distractions calling you for your attention, and there's so much more fun in getting the little busy work done. But here's the thing, time passes so quickly, and the mad rush to deliver a project at the last minute is so stressful, and the quality of your finished product is compromised as you scramble to meet the deadline. Avoid the stress that comes from procrastination and tackle those big, ugly projects first. I promise that you will thank yourself later. There is no denying we live in a time where distractions are a daily thing. And if you're not careful, the constant interruptions can dominate your time and your focus, leading to missed deadlines and poor quality work. We know technology plays a big role in the constant interruptions that bombard our days. And half the time, we don't even think when we pick up the phone to respond to a text or social media notification. The habit can become so built into us that it's this automatic response we don't even think about. The good news, though, is that no matter how much potential for distraction exists in your life, there are some proven steps to help take that back. Take your power back, put distractions aside, and don't let interruptions stress you out. Instead, put them in their place and take ownership of your time and your attention. Take advantage of the tips that I shared today to help you focus and stay on track in pursuit of your goals and dreams. And never forget, distraction does not have to win.